Okay guys, yeah, welcome back to Altus channel. Into this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram post. So let's dive into our Instagram. Okay, this is our Instagram. We'll open our Instagram, we click on this plus menu button to post a story so that we can be able to delete the story. So I'm going to click on this now. Click on okay, sorry guys, let me click on something here. Click on next, and you can see this story, and click on next now and click on share. This is a story. I've already created a story now, so let me delete the story back. Oh, maybe I found something, there's a mistake there and I wanted to add something which I don't know remember. So let me look for my story again. Just if you did not find your story, just use the hand to swipe down your phone to refresh your feed, and your story is going to, you can see this is my story here now. So now I'm going to delete the story. Now the next thing you're going to do is click on this three button there. Click on this three button and you can see, just click on delete and you click on delete, and the story will be automatically deleted for you, and you can see it's not there again. You can scroll and scroll and you will not find it again in your feed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button. Sorry guys, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys.